This is the Marble Collisions Marble Billiards Lab. And there wasn't a sheet for this, but we did take some notes on page 42. So I wanted to give you a video so you would understand what these notes mean and you could get them down in your notebook. So basically, this is our billiards table, and this is our ramp. Our ramp is going to act like our cue stick. So we can't move the cup, but we can move the cue stick, and we're going to put a marble at the top of the ramp, and it's going to come down and hit that marble. And my goal is to try to get that target marble to go through these cubes. And you can hit the cubes, but they have to go through it. So, and we're using this, we're trying to figure out what Newton's laws are. So I'm going to move this. I know I need to go to the right, so I'm going to move my ramp to the left. Oh, you can't see I'm putting my marble up. I'm going to give it a lot of force, so I'm going to put it at the top of the ramp. Okay, so I need to go more to the right. And you guys kind of keep doing this until you can kind of get it right. Almost. So again, I've just got to go really far to the right to get this. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, I'm not doing a very good job here, guys. Sorry. You're not supposed to move the cup. You're just supposed to kind of move the ruler and try to get the right angle. See if you can get it. Almost there. Move those back a little bit. So you just kind of keep trying, and if I don't get it, it's not the end of the world, but you just kind of keep trying to hit it at these weird angles so you can get it going on the right place. There we go, finally. So after we did that, they did that a few times and tried that with partners. Then, if you can look at my computer here, we went to page 42 in our notebook and we had a discussion about Newton's first laws, and we wrote down some notes answering these questions. So the target marble isn't moving because of Newton's first law. And you might want to write this down, or you should. An object will stay at rest unless a force acts upon it, or it will stay in motion until a force acts upon it. So the marble at the bottom, the target marble, just stays sitting there until when? Another marble acts on it when it hits it. So when did the target marble start moving, which changes that force in Newton's law? Is when the ramp marble, the one at the ramp, started hitting it. Okay, so that's just Newton's first law. Then we went to Newton's third law, and we took some notes on that, which is for every force, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So this is when the two marbles hit, they didn't go the same direction anymore. So for Newton's first law, so they can change direction if a force is acting on it. So the ramp marble is going down, and then it's going to change direction when it hits the other marble. So Newton's third law, when the two marbles hit, they are forcing on each other the action, the marble ramp, and the equal reaction, the target. So draw this diagram in your notebook. You can see over here, oops, let me go back, sorry. Okay, so you can see the one down here is the ramp marble. It's going and it's going to hit the target marble, and they're going to hit at the same force. But what ends up happening is the ramp marble, depending on the angle it's hitting, will shoot off in a different direction because of the collision, and the target marble will go straight back because of the head-on or wherever it's going to hit because of the angle. So that's Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. They both are going to go off in their own directions depending on the angles. So that was really all that is. And then we kind of went over the pages in our notebook.